Hi guys, welcome to all tutorials. My Pendrive is 16 GB and show 2.82 GB. At first, clean at first. Start bar, disk part, types disk part. Press enter. Yes. List. Disk. Press enter. Disk 0 online 465 GB. Disk 0 pendrive 15 GB. Free 12 GB. Next, select is on. Press enter. This one is on. Select this. Next, clean. Type clean. Clean. Press enter. Successful clean disk. Create. Press partition. Press enter. Successful. Disk was successful in create this space partition and exit. Press enter and OK. Then remove disk. Format disk. Start. (14.9 GB). Format complete. 14.9 GB. Thank you for watching the video and subscribe my channel and next computer and tips and trick and other tutorial. Thank you.